Hello viewer, in this video I am gonna show you how to make capital and small letter in MS Word. So first we need to select the text. Then under home button click on change icon. After that we get many options. If I click on sentence case, make capital letter for the beginning of sentence. You can see the sentence started from capital letter. Now I want to mix all the text in lowercase. Again go to change icon. Now click on lowercase. You can see all the text in lowercase form. If you want to make all the text in capital letter, again go to change icon and click on uppercase. If you want to make the first letter of each word, then again click on change icon. Now selected capitalize each word option. If I click on toggle case option, it will be swap. You can see all the capital letter swap to lower and lowercase to capital letter case. Finally, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial.